Well, there are two particular different cases that are up for hearing today at the Rouse Avenue Court. One is the case in the IRCTC corruption case. This is during the tenure of 2004 to 2009. It's also the same in the Land for Job case. Now, in the IRCTC case, it was about tenders being offered to two IRCTC hotels for maintenance in Ranchi and Puri to one Sujata group of hotels. In return of that, kickbacks in the name of Benami properties in posh locations were provided to the Lalu Prasad family, is what the Central Bureau of Investigation has alleged. The matter was filed in the form of an FIR in 2017. In the Land for Job case, it's about how jobs were given in the railway department in turn of properties that were given. This was also during the same timeline. The Central Bureau of Investigation in the IRCTC case and the ED in the Land for Job case, they have in the charge sheet mentioned the entire trail of how these properties were transferred. And finally today, in both the matter, we will be seeing the order on the framing of charges being decided. In the IRCTC case, the family was summoned. In the Land for Job case, it is the first order that will be coming up on the framing on charges.